up, gorgeous people? This is Am Bazaar's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super easy Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. Guys, I love shopping at the Dollar Tree, and even though it went up a quarter, I still think it's 100% worth it, and I found some really awesome finds there that needed some work. You know, they needed beefed up a little bit, so I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, this first DIY you've seen me do many times on my channel, but I'm going to show it again for Easter. So I have these fabric gift bags that you can get at the Dollar Tree. They are so stinking cute. I can't with these things. Nonetheless, I'm going to take 2 plastic store bags and I'm going to just stuff these little sacks with the plastic store bags. Then I'm going to tie them off and I'm going to add a nice decorative bow at the top of these, and these make great fillers for all of your displays.
Looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious. Building up an illusion of a world full of trust. Moving on when everything's gone. It's hard to be strong. Confusion in my mind.
Okay, so now that I have those stuffed and tied off, I'm going to go ahead and add a bow at the top with this super cute ribbon that I got at Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and just make some very simple bows to put at the top of these. And to attach them, I'm going to use some mounting tape from the Dollar Tree because I wanted to be able to use these as gift bags if I wanted to. So I didn't want to attach the ribbon with glue because I want to be able to use them as sacks if I choose to in the future.
Maybe just a dream. Could it be my imagination running out of steam? All I know is every time I see you, I feel insecure. I'm unable to find the words. How can I be sure? I'm holding on when everything's gone. I've gotta be strong. Confusion in my mind, no way to turn back time. My soul in need of remedy, don't even know the enemy. When I feel out of touch, can't seem to get enough. Hiding away from everyone, I don't know where I'm coming from. I failed to.
Okay guys, for this next DIY, I'm going to take this super cute felt basket thing that I got at the Dollar Tree, as well as this stuffed rabbit, and then these super cute miniature flower arrangements and some decorative shed. So all I'm going to do here, guys, is take the little felt basket thingamabobber. I'm going to stick the flower arrangements in on each side. Then I'm going to add the decorative shred in the center so that it can elevate the little rabbit. And guys, that's all you got to do for this. It turns out so super cute. It's so simple, I know, but it turns out really cute, and it's a great filler for any display.
Hiding away from everyone, I don't know where I'm coming from.
Okay guys, so now here's another super easy one for you. I have this Easter pail that I got at the Dollar Tree, as well as these little rabbit feet, and then another one of those mini floor arrangements. So what I'm going to do is just take the floor arrangement and plop it right down there in the pail, and then I'm going to take the bunny leg here, and I'm just going to fold that extender thing down so that it will fit properly into the pail. Then I'm going to add some decorative shred, and you guessed it guys, this one is ready to roll, and it is so stinking cute. Okay guys, so I played with that for like a little bit, and boom, here it is. It is so cute, you guys. I love this little display. It's so very simple and so very cute. I did a blue one, and then I also did a pink one because they had pink at the Dollar Tree as well. They are both so incredibly adorable. And then I wanted to show you guys what it looks like all as like a display. So here's everything that I just made as a display. All of them make great fillers, but you can also do them as a standalone display on their own. Okay Okay guys, for this last DIY, I'm going to take this gnome wall hanging that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I did something very similar at Christmas time, but this one's going to be a little bit different. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off all the top part stuff because we don't need the little hangy ribbon thing or none of that stuff. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the bunny ears because I'm going to reuse these after I attach what's going to become the new hat for this. So we're going to go ahead and rip those off, and then I'm going to take this piece of felt. It is so cute with the polka dots on it and everything. I thought it would be really cute for Easter. So that is what we're going to use to become our hat. So I tried it a couple of different ways, and I thought it would be best to do it the other way because this way wasn't quite long enough, and I was just nervous I wouldn't have enough. So that's why I went with this direction. Okay, so now I'm going to take this piece of fur and I'm going to cut a piece that's big enough to put along the bottom of this little piece of felt here. And once I cut that off, then I'm going to go ahead and fold it so that it looks nice and clean finished on all sides for when we attach it to the bottom here. So I'm just going to fold it over so that I can add a little bit of glue, on one part here, add some glue, fold it over, add some more glue, fold it over so that I can then take it and I'm going to just attach it to the bottom part of what will soon be the hat.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby, yeah.
Okay guys, so now it's ready to roll, and all I'm going to do is take some hot glue and I'm going to attach it to the top part of the gnome to be the new hat for this. And all that I'm going to do is follow along the lines here, tuck it and make sure that the nose is showing and all of that fun stuff. Make sure everything's covered that I don't want anyone to see. And yeah, we are going to be almost done with this.
Like the river goes, baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know.
Okay guys, so now we're going to take this fuzzy scarf that I got at the Dollar Tree and we're going to use that to cover these bunny ears. So I'm just going to disassemble the scarf, take one of the bunny ears, and I'm going to use that as my template to cut around and add it to this bunny ear to elevate it and make it look more realistic. So because I could still see through this a little bit, you're going to see me add another layer, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just thought that it looked better.
No words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words, no more, no. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more. We're done now. No words, no more.
Okay guys, so now that I have that part done, I'm going to take some pink felt and I'm going to just trace around this. I thought this would be the easiest way for me to do this to get it somewhat right. And then I'm just going to cut it down to size to make it be the center part of the bunny ear.
You wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.
Okay guys, so now that I have that part done, now I'm just going to take some hot glue, add it to the bottom part of the ear here, and I'm just going to add it onto the top part of the hat so that it has some cute little bunny ears for Easter.
Just thinking that maybe you're not different.
Okay guys, the last thing that I want to do here is take some of these felt stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to add it to the very top part of the hat because I think that it'll look better and it'll add another Easter element to this DIY. So I just used the sticky stuff that was on there because I felt that it was sticky enough, so I didn't add any glue or anything. After I did that, here it is. Guys, it is so stinking cute. I liked this one so much that I went ahead and made it in brown as well. You guys can let me know in the comments below which one that you liked the best. So here's the brown one. I think they both turned out super cute. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I hope you found some inspiration from these super easy Dollar Tree DIYs. Now I know a couple of them really weren't DIYs, they just kind of stuck the stuff inside the little pots or whatever, but I'm just showing you ways that you can display these Dollar Tree items to make them look a lot better than they do when they're sitting in the store. So I hope you guys found some inspiration from this video and you're able to take some of these ideas and use them in your own Easter decor. I will have a couple more Easter videos coming up for you guys very soon. I know I'm way behind compared to all the other crafters on YouTube, but I decided that I wanted to decorate for St. Patrick's Day as well, so that kind of threw me a little behind the 8 ball, but that's okay. Hopefully you guys are still putting things together and getting things ready for your Easter decor, and you can get some inspiration from these videos that I'm going to be showing you in the upcoming weeks. Alright guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up? Wow. My first time is always terrible. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super, and I do mean super, 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 super easy Easter DIYs. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous? Ugh, I can't get it right. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super, 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 super easy Easter DIYs. No. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super easy Easter DIYs. Now, what? Wow. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super easy Easter DIYs. Now, why can't I talk? Ugh. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some super easy Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. You guys know that no. Boop. Wrong. Okay, guys, so I will probably have a couple more Easter videos for you. I know I'm like, how do I say this? Hold on. Okay, guys, so I'll have a few more Easter videos for you guys coming up then in the following weeks. Okay, guys, I hope you found... I can't talk. I'm just doing this way too early. I need to go back to bed. Try it again. But I'm just kind of showing you ways that you can use these Dollar Tree. Boom! Why can't I talk? Okay, guys, so I hope you got... I quit. I'm done. I can't do it. I'm so done.